Hi, welcome to Sassy City YouTube channel. I'm at the Bread Basket between Reiner and Floyd, Virginia. It is super pretty here and they have a lot of places for you to sit outside. In the summertime when I was driving by, this place was always crowded. So you walk in, this is the register, and they have lots of things for sale. They have baked good as well as bread. It smells amazing in here. This is an Amish market, so they have tons of bulk items, just like the Walker Valley market that I've talked about. So they have honey, maple syrup, flour, oats, pretty much anything you can imagine, they have it in bulk. Even candy and snacks, too. This is also popcorn, specialty items, that's what I would call it, or unique items that you can check out. Good things for gifts too, or if you've been looking for something specific. They have refrigerated items. They had just a lot of cool things, and of course, lots of sweets too. So they're really well known for their sandwiches, and you can go and order it. There's a menu. They have some suggestions here from the staff, so I highly recommend getting a sandwich. Come out here, sit down, and check out the beauty that's surrounding this place. So thank you for tuning in, liking, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. And take care.